Oh wow. 95. Eyes look sick. These are really old. Google Maps only goes to 2007, and this was still abandoned in 2007, so I'm not entirely sure when it closed. I don't see anything with the date. Oh wow. 95. That makes sense for how this place looks. Some of the colors in here are really cool. It's a bit odd for a hospital. It's where I originally came in from. Wow. Eyes look sick. I wonder if the elevators would work if this place actually had power. That'd be sick. Yeah, this place is totally stuck in the 90s. And obviously it's tagged up a little bit, but for it to be, honestly, this condition is somewhat nice for the 90s, especially in Florida. I'm guessing this goes to the roof. Oh wow. I'm gonna block the movie over here. Oh, they got it upstairs. Now, the reason why I'm talking so quietly right now is because this is on active property. It's not a hospital, but it's some sort of like physical care place. Had to cut through big open area in their property to get it here. Place is honestly really creepy. All documents. Oh, that's Biohazard. This is date of birth, admission date 83. Wow. There's the old box. That's sick looking. Oh. Oh, are these not books? Got a Louisville, Kentucky address on it. It's kind of odd. Old backrooms looking wallpaper. It's weird, they boarded up so many of the windows upstairs, but some of the ones downstairs just they didn't really care about. I've been sitting on this spot for like, I don't even know how many years now, maybe 2, almost 3. I honestly thought, oh god, the smell. Honestly thought that they just used it as storage, because the outside didn't look too bad. Like, ooh, they had boarded windows and stuff, but since it was on active property, I was like, why would they not be using this? I wonder what the hell this was. Oh, it's a scale. Just a bunch of names on it. Little swabs. It's nice seeing all the old wallpaper though. Plastic surgeon. Just a waiting room, I guess. That's all there is to this place. Pretty cool seeing all the decay. I wish they had a little bit more, at least like documents or something, but they chose the smart route and actually took their shit. Guessing this was like a lab or something. I was about to head out, but I saw this. That's a biohazard room.